bike shop. Look at that Moto Gizzy or Guzzi. I think it's super cool. It needs a tinted shield on it though. Looks like a police bike with that. Love my Ducatis. But you know I want this thing. That's Supermoto 400. More than anything. And the Hayabusas, GSXRs, Ducati, all-purpose. BMW is the bomb for sport bikes, man. They even got a freaking wing on it. Look at this one. A wing for over 200 miles an hour. And over here's Dreamland. Look at that. It's wickedly cool. Be hell to pick up if it fell over there on me though. Man, look at that paint job. It's like freaking lightning or something. Here are the dream bikes. The Ducatis. That's a super cool looking machine. Desert ones, multi-stratas. None of the other Supermoto ones though.